Hi everyone, so I decided to do something new this year. So I am learning how to do my own nails at home instead of going to the salon. So come with me on this journey. So I start by purchasing a few items on SHEIN. So I'm going to unbox my SHEIN package with you to show you some of the things that I got on SHEIN to start my own beginner nail journey. So first thing first, I purchased a nail lamp, a professional nail lamp that is. So when you do your gel polishes, you're going to need a lamp to dry them quick and fast. I purchased that. This nail lamp comes with a manual, a card. It doesn't come with an adapter, so you'd have to get one for yourself. So that's my first item that I have purchased. Second item on the list, I have purchased an armrest. We're getting there. We're going to practice. So I purchased an armrest. You can rest your arm for comfort on this armrest. It's pretty sturdy. I think it's a good buy. All the nail techs, comment down below and let me know. Because I'm new to this whole nail journey, I purchased a silicone practicing hand that I can, practice when I'm at home, practice on nail design and how to apply my acrylic and all these things. I also purchased a drill that is a professional nail drill that you can use in your to file down your nails whenever you're doing your practice at home. So I purchased that. I also purchased a professional nail brush set. It's a three-piece set, so I purchased that as well. The quality of these, they are really nice. I would recommend them. The quality is really nice. I also purchased a nail clipper, so this can be used to clip your nails to the length that you want. So, you have a nail clipper. I also purchased some additional practice fingers. I don't know why, but I did. So I purchased some additional practice fingers that I can use to practice on when I'm at home. I also purchased this nail design set. So these brush can use to design the nails. So when I'm learning how to, do the nail art, I can do practice with these. So you get that pack of set and it's not expensive. If I'll leave the link to these in the comment section below or the description box. So I purchased a bunch of these. They comes in 5 packs. So I purchased these. There's some cotton swabs. I purchased additional files to go on the gel bit. So I purchased that. It comes in a pack of 2. I also purchased this monomer and nail brush cleaner, and it also comes with 3 additional nail brushes. The size of these, just with it's ridiculous. They're very small, and you also get some glass to put your acrylic and your nail cleaner in. I also purchased my sponge. When you're filing nails, you use this to dust it off, so you're going to need that. That's an essential thing to buy. I also purchased some nail clips, so when you're doing your soak off, you have that. And I purchased some nail form as well for practice. These are some magnets that you can use to measure the length of the nail or you want it. So I purchased that. They're very tiny, but it works. This you can put your nail polish on. Pick it up, pour it a little instead of dipping into the nail. I also get some additional nail glass to put my acrylic and acrylic powders in. I also get some acrylic powder, but one withdraw. I did not know it was going to be so tiny, so I'd have to purchase some out here. So I purchased some acrylic powder to practice. I also purchased a bunch of orange wood sticks and a whole bunch of glue. I think it's about 10 nail glue. they work. I tried them out and they work perfectly fine. I also purchased some nail primer and nail dehydrator. Trust me, the sizes of these are very small, so I'd have to go and buy a next one out here to get a bigger size. They're really small, so they're not gonna last a long time. I also purchased a pack of nails. These are some coffee nail tips that I can use to practice. I'm gonna use it at home to do my practice. And so these are all the nail products that I buy to start my beginner journey as a nail tech, speaking it into being. So these are the products. So don't forget to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. What am I missing? Just give me some feedback in the comments and let me know. Until next time, stay safe.